excellent presenter. I love her. She has this beautiful social humor. She's refreshing. Her information is on point.
Lisa is not only knowledgeable on this, she basically has been there, done that, and keeps on doing it.
I've taken away great notes, great handouts, and I'd highly recommend her.
Lisa's a very strong, effective, consistent, and she gives you the messages you really need to know and learn.
Very excited about being a part of her presentation and very excited about working with Lisa again in future.
You can actually see she cares that you are going to get what you need from her presentations.
I wish this didn't end today. Honestly, I would stay here probably till the wee hours of the morning.
Oh my goodness, I didn't think that there was anything so exciting than to be a participant in this these 3 workshops. I have come out of them lit up, vibrant, energized. I feel like I can conquer the world based on all the information that she's provided to me, coached, mentored in the class, given us all kinds of tips and tools.
I think ACES is very lucky to have such a strong, impactful speaker as part of their program.
Lisa is a fabulous presenter.
Very engaging. She engages her audience and she cares.
Yeah, I think all of the ladies that were with us in the last day and a half felt very comfortable being in her company, and she made learning very easy.
So if you have an opportunity to attend one of Lisa's workshops, I highly encourage you. It's a great investment. You're worth it.